Hi guys, let's learn GDevelop. First thing, we go to our favorite browser and then we type here GDevelop and then we click on the first result right here and we are there. Now all you need to do is click on try it online right here and we are here. Now, if any program opens automatically here, all you need to do is click here on this box, the project manager right here, and then click on close. Now you're ready to work on GDevelop. So let's create a new project. Let's click here where it says create a new project. Now that we are here, we click on empty game, start a new game from scratch. And now we are ready to begin. First thing we do is go to game settings right here. Game settings, and then click on properties. Now in here we are going to be doing two things. The first thing is the game name. We are going to put our name and our surname and then the number 1 because this is our first project. Remember, this here is your name, this here is your surname or last name, okay? And the other thing that we are going to do is change the resolution and rendering. So instead of 800 and 600, we are going to be using HD resolution, which is 1280, and in here 720. Now just click on apply, and that is it. Feel free to pause the video right now to do that. Good. Now we are going to add a scene. The scene is the world where our game will take place. So we are going to click here where it says click to add a scene. And then this is our new scene called new scene. We don't like that name, so we go here to the hamburger menu and click on rename. We delete this and type game 1. Enter. That is it. Now all I have to do is click on the scene that I just created and we'll get this. Let me zoom out with the scroll of the mouse until I see the whole rectangle. And now let's begin adding objects. Remember, in order to add objects, you right click on the inside of this box, right click, insert a new object. Now in here we are going to look for tiles. Let's go down and there they are, tiles. So I'm going to be using maybe this one, add to the game, and the wall, this one, add to the game. And now let's look for characters. I'm going to be using this character pack here, and I'm going to be looking for a proper character and let's use the big red here. This is just an example. You can use whatever character you want. Now that we are done, I'm going to close this here. And as you can see, in here we have all of our assets. Feel free to pause the video to do that. Okay, let's continue. So now I'm just going to put the assets inside of my work area, and I'm going to put the floor down here, and I'm going to enlarge it by this box right here until the end of my working area. Good. Going to do the same thing with the walls right here. Put it up here and enlarge it. I'm going to add it again, this time here, and enlarge it. And that is it. Now, I could make my character bigger by pulling on this diagonal box here to make it bigger. Okay, that is it. If I execute this right now, this is what will happen. So nothing will show up, only the objects that we did, that we put in here because, well, we haven't programmed anything yet. So let me close this here. And now I am going to program my game. Feel free to pause it to do this. Excellent. Now I am going to click on the wall because I need to add a behavior to that wall. I need to add behaviors to everything actually, but I'm going to start with the wall and the floor. Why? Because both the walls and the floor need to behave like platforms. So what do? I click on the wall, and then here in this properties window, I click on edit. In here we have properties and behaviors. I care about behaviors, so let's click on behaviors. In here, I need to add a behavior to the object. So I click there, and in here, I have several behaviors. Now, what do I need this wall to behave like? I need it to behave like a platform. So I click here, see, platform, and apply. Now both walls, since they are the same thing, both walls are behaving like platforms. Now I need to do the same thing for the floor. Click on it, and then click on this edit button, go to behaviors, add a behavior, platform, apply, and that's it. Now both my walls and my floor are behaving like platforms. Now I need to program the behavior for my character. So I click on it, and now click on edit, and see properties and behaviors. We go to behaviors, and in here add a behavior to the object. But my character is not a platform. He's a platformer character. So instead of platform, I choose platformer character. See, the behavior is platformer object. Apply. And now, since I did this, I can click on this triangle here, the play button, to execute my program. And you will see that now we have something different than the other time. It may take some time sometimes. So as you can see, I have the walls, the floor, and my character just dropped down. Now I can use the arrow keys to move my character left or right. I need to work on the animations, but that will be for another day. And now, if I press the space bar, it jumps. Look. So I'm going to close this. And let's say that I want to add This little thing here, for example, yes, copy it and paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. Let's try it now. So I can jump on this platform here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and that is it. Cool, right? Okay, guys, we don't need to save anything right now because this is just practice. We will get into this more in depth in class, so don't worry, okay, guys? Excellent. So, guys, hope this helps. See you in class. Bye bye.